How to use Zapier with Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up your Zapier account. After that, click on this option of create Zap on the left hand side. Wait for it to load and then you need to create a trigger. So just click on this and select Shopify over here. After that, wait for it to load and then we need to create an event which will trigger our Shopify. So let's select the event. There are various events over here, like when someone abandons their cart, it will be triggered. So let's select it for a new cancelled order. Wait for it, then click on continue. After that, you need to connect your Shopify account with it. Click on sign in and wait for it to connect. After you sign in, it will ask you to install Zapier on your Shopify store. Just click on install app and then wait for it to load. After that, click on this option of continue. Then you can test the trigger, and if there are no triggers as of now, you can just simply click on skip test for now. Scroll down and click on continue. After that, just get back and click on this option of second one, and we need to select what we want to do and take action after it happens. So just select Google Sheets over here and just select it. And suppose we want to record all the data of all the new cancelled orders, so we will just select Google Sheets, then click over here on the event that would take place. Let's select create a spreadsheet, then click on continue. After that, you will have to connect your Google Sheets also with the same account. After that, just click on continue. And now fill this form according to your needs and requirements, like the kind of information that we need to extract out of it. So we will just select that. After that, you can also select whether you want to create a duplicate of an existing spreadsheet. Just select it if it requires for you, and then you can select headers. After that, just click on continue. Then either you can test it up or you can just simply skip the test for now. Wait for it to load and click on publish. And this is how you use Zapier with Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.